very windy weekend coming up. Gales or severe gales, potential for some travel disruption. Wind warnings are in place.
Was probably freezing. Angie's with us with the weather. It's chilly out there, Angie, isn't it?
It's actually not too chilly, but it will get chilly. Yes, it's the last weekend before Christmas. If anybody's travelling, if you're out shopping, you need to be aware that we have some pretty unsettled conditions heading our way. So we are going to see the winds picking up, becoming really gusty, disruptive, gale or severe gale force gusts. We have widespread blustery showers as well. And come Saturday night into Sunday, some of those are also going to be turning quite wintry. But today, if anything, temperatures weren't all that bad. And despite the breeze, it brightened up. We had some scattered showers. Not a bad day. They've been easing away. So for many, it's a dry, clear evening. Good news for the Ulster and Munster rugby match. But if anything, through the evening and night, the wind is going to be picking up. We'll get more cloud feeding its way in. Spells of rain moving in from the west as well. But it will stay mild with temperatures up around 5 to 7 degrees. Now, it's once that rain moves away overnight that we really start to see the winds cranking up. In fact, we have wind warnings in place for both Saturday and Sunday. There could be some travel disruption, maybe trees down and around the coast, some large waves as well. Now tomorrow, of course, is the winter solstice. It starts out mild with sunshine, but not long before those showers and the wind gets going. 60 miles per hour or more towards the north coast, but blustery everywhere, plenty of showers running through. Despite the sunshine in between the showers, though, temperatures are falling away later in the day, and that's ahead of the winds turning more northwesterly through tomorrow night and into Sunday. So the cold air starting to feed in. Plenty of isobars there, maybe even more tightly packed together. We could see gusts 60 to 70 miles per hour towards the north coast through tomorrow night. Plenty of showers, squally showers running through, and as temperatures dip to between 2 and 4 degrees, some of those become a mix of rain, sleet and hill snow, and we could see some hail and some lightning as well. So it's a cold start on Sunday morning. Could be some icy patches, some slippery stretches given those wintry showers, which gradually turn to rain through the day, easing later, but it stays very blustery. And Sunday, a much cooler feeling day, especially in the wind.
Angie, thank you. Now, hopefully you're all feeling festive by